Yo, what's good traders? It's your boy again, Kilichku. On this episode, I want to briefing how I traded currency pair for like 24 hours and show you how much I got from it. Right? I want to show that sticking to what you are doing and being patient in that craft, it was pays. Yes, right? So, like yesterday, I get to analyze GBPUSD pair, right? Because it's a currency pair. So, and it's been long I've traded that pair. I didn't even, the last I traded that pair was NFP day, right? NFP, was it July NFP? That was the last time I've traded GBPUSD. So, and throughout the weekend, I could not even see time to backtest. So, on Sunday evening, I was like looking at on Monday. I then say, okay, let me check GBPUSD. So when I checked GBPUSD, I saw an opportunity how I got the entry. I'll display it over on this screen right now for you to show you. See my entry right here. Just you see it, right? So I caught this entry. When I caught this entry, could you imagine that I entered this trade around 10, around 10, be 9 a.m. in the morning, GMT Nigerian time, right? I held this trade for more than almost 24 hours. I held this trade overnight till today being Tuesday, that it went very well. Market was very manipulative over there and it was very very slow. Then I get to see that GBPUSD, even then as of 2023 I was trading GBPUSD. It's been a very long time I've been trading that pair. So I just give it a shot yesterday. Let me trade the pair. It was very manipulative. It seems as if it will be going a bit slip down, later reversing back. So I just have to. But there are a few mistakes I did that I will still need to keep it plain here, right? And it's not supposed to. It's not supposed to. So, whenever you are trading currency pairs, I observe this a lot. I don't know for gold and other pairs, but mostly currency pairs like GBP, JPY, and GBP USD. There are two things I'm observing. Whenever you are holding trade and hold trade till 10 p.m., right? If it's GBP, JPY, market always stop according to the broker I trade with, because I'm trading a profile right now. 10 trades, I'm trading with 10 trades. So you can actually, maybe I'll drop the link within the comments so you can actually sign up with it. And if you want to trade with them, they are still cool. You can send me a message on my Instagram handle I dropped over in this video to clarify you on how their rules. If you don't get to understand it, I will get to clear it. Just send me a DM over on IG and make sure you follow there, right? So I get to understand that GBP JPY is a pair that once it gets like 10 p.m. in the night time, it automatically stops there. Trading stops there. Those that trade that pair, maybe they will get to be understanding that if you are trading consistently, or if you are holding trade till overnight, because most times I do hold trade overnight, right, till the next day according to what I'm seeing in the market. So it happened on the previous one that I was trading. It's just because of, let's say it's because of weekend. That's why I didn't get to hold it. That was a setup I got on GPGPY on Friday, the buy setup. So that trade did very very well till my TP points, but I could not hold it. I have to just hope out from the market before the market closed on Friday. So being Monday that I traded this, you can see the profit right there, right? I make about first and second account I'm trading is about like I made like 300 and something dollars. Right? So, but there this mistake I made there. What was this mistake? Because on a trading plan, according to the previous video I dropped, that I get to follow your trading plan and get to see and list out how you are doing on your trades. Are you doing very well for yourself? Because now you're keeping yourself accountable. You're just the only person, is you versus you. You're the one, you can't lie to yourself. Even though you lie to the world, you can't lie to yourself. That's why I was talking about this trading plan and sticking to it, right? Over on the trading plan, one of my rules is this act of detachment from my setups. Or whenever I place a trade I detach. I'll give myself maybe interval of 30-45 minutes to come back to see what the market is doing, right? That really helps. It's more like set and forget, right? So I left this trade since I placed it around Monday morning. This trade was not even, it was even on loss. It was even on loss. Like, but I know my risk. The risk I'm not even risking up to 1% on it. Is I'm risking like 0.5% on it, right? According to how I even stated over there. It's very nice for you to maybe start from 0.5%. Unless you're trading a small account, that's when you risk more to grow up the account. But if you're trading a good account, you have to keep it minimal, but you are having good outcomes, right? So market was being manipulating. So before that thing, there was something I did and it's not nice. It's not even advisable for anyone to do it. So because during by 10 p.m. spread always misbehave. So our spread has increased. What did I do? Because I know that market will still drop. So at that time, market will be a bit manipulative and that spread now has increased. I don't know if I've talked about spread here. Okay, spread right now is more like spread is the charge your broker brings into the market and charge. Whenever you're trading on your MT5, there is a red and green line that shows that if you're on a running trade, those two things, right? So then you know that if you set your sell, if that red one touch it before that green one, it will hit. If you set your TP, same is same like that. So I just have to I deleted my stop loss point for that their spread being that their increased spread about around that 10 o'clock to be done with what they are doing around 11. I still set my SL again, right? So that's just it. So I just have to, as I left it, I slept off. Waking up earlier in the morning, price is still, it has dropped a bit, but it has not done anything meaningful. So I left it, right? Around about 8 o'clock to 8 something, big spike down to the downside. You can see spike down. So this is what just want to. So still talking about the trading plan, just make sure you stick to that plan, right? Imagine that I said yesterday that okay, I'm done holding this trade and I wouldn't have made this. So that's why most times patience pays more, patience pays, and in that patience, have an instinct of what you are looking out for in the market, not just being patient on a losing trade. Because I didn't risk much on this trade. Yes, I didn't risk much. If this trade would have gone against me, what I'll be risking or what I will lost here is just 0.5% on it. That 0.5% is about like 150 something dollar, or let me say 152, $153. That's what I will lose here, right? So that's it. So just keep to the plan. The plan really assists, and patience pays more. Try detaching yourself from some treats that you take. It really helps. If you've gone up to the point in this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. I'll be dropping more amazing videos on my right. So make sure you stick around. Make sure you subscribe, share it out so it could get to more newbies trying to navigate. I'll be sharing more insightful video over here. If you got value in this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. Stay blessed.